So, good morning, my name is Michalis Dimirakopoulos and today I will make for you cold cocktails, one of my favorite recipes. I will use the gourmet medium ice for the shaking, and then to have the completely experience for my cold cocktail, I will serving you with nugget ice in a glass. So I will start with 50 ml of white rum, 10 ml of vanilla syrup, 10 ml of passion fruit, and 10 ml of ginger syrup. I will also use 10 ml of my cold brew tower, my cold brew. So I prepared yesterday for this cocktail. 10 ml of it. And of course my ice, because I need this ice for the hardness that we have to make a really cold cocktail. And on the top, I will add some garnish, like mint and slices of ginger. So, your cocktail is ready. Please enjoy.